loves, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my summer morning routine. This video has been so highly requested and I can't wait to show you guys. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is play with my dogs.
Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to
Good
call if it
morning.
ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom.
Let's get the day started. By the way, I haven't vlogged with my new hair. I only did like one video and it was a sit down video. In case y'all didn't know, I had blonde hair before, like super duper blonde. And then I just randomly decided to dye it all back. I'm gonna turn on my lamp. All right, so first thing I do in the morning is check if there's any water left in my hydro flask. I drink it all right now and then I go fill it up immediately with fresh water. So for breakfast today, I'm making oatmeal. This is probably one of the best breakfasts just because it's so efficient and is really lightweight. You can really do a lot with oatmeal. You can add stuff to it. You can just eat it plain. My favorite brand is the Quaker Maple Brown Sugar. So good. Okay, so. While that's cooking, I'm gonna chop up a banana and some strawberries. All right, oatmeal is done. This looks so good. And I'm kind of weird, but I eat my fruit like on a plate or the chopping board with a fork. I just like to eat my fruit with a fork. I can combine the strawberry and the banana. I try not to go on my phone a lot in the mornings because my whole job and life revolves around social media, and I feel like typically in the afternoons is when I have calls or I have to do texts or brand deals. So I'm always on my computer, on my phone. I just hate that I'm always on it, but I know that like in order to do my job, I have to be on it. So I like to really relax in the morning. So tomorrow I'm actually going on a flight to Tennessee because I'm working with Dick's Sporting Goods. The first time I worked with them, it was so fun. I flew out to LA and filmed like a bunch of commercial stuff. And then recently, you guys have been telling me that you've seen me on TV, Hulu, YouTube, like all these places that promote ads. And I checked out some of the commercials myself and oh my gosh, it's crazy. Such an incredible opportunity, and they wanted to work with me again, so I'm leaving tomorrow, but this time it's not to LA. This time it's to Tennessee, and they invited me to do an all-nighter lock-in event with some other creators, so I'm very excited. Breakfast is done, I brushed my teeth, and now I'm going to make my bed before I go on my morning walk with Cassidy. For those of y'all that don't know, Cassidy is our family friend. She's like my little sister, and she's 13 years old. So yeah, I'm gonna take my dogs on a walk, and then I'm gonna meet her and her dog, and then we're gonna go on our walk.
When I'm 25, like you so much better when you're not fucked up, boy. You're just a little too much like that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Casey, I don't wanna fall in love.
Hey guys, it's 8:30 now. It's hot as balls. I literally can't see anything. But yeah, I dropped off my dogs. You should have seen how pathetic Leo was. I literally had to carry him. It was bad.
He was being so lazy.
Oh my gosh. I am so freaking tired. I'm back home and now is the process of me getting ready for the day. So typically after a walk, I will either shower, put a shower cap on and like just rinse my body, or take a bath. I'm just gonna rinse off in the shower really quickly. Yeah, we can get ready for the day and I'll show you what I do as well as my skincare routine. Now it's time for makeup. I already washed my face, but this is the cleanser that I used. My face has been breaking out recently. I had this really horrible rash, if you saw in my videos, like I think it was a couple of videos ago, but I had this rash all over my face. I had no idea where it came from, and I went to go see the doctors. They said that it wasn't acne. It didn't even look like acne, but they thought it was like bug bites or from stress. Personally, I think it was from stress. So there's still a little bit of that. There's like some red right here, but I switched my cleanser and this has been really calming my skin down. It's the Selfless by Hiram. He's like a YouTuber influencer and I've been trying out his stuff. This video isn't sponsored, but just wanted to let you guys know that I really like this. It's also really affordable and you can get it at like Sephora. Okay, also Outer Banks season 2 just came out, so I'm watching it on my phone while I do my makeup. I'm going to show the products that I'm using. Okay, makeup is done. I've gotten so many questions asking how I do my makeup, so there you go. Basically what I've been using and how I achieve this look. I am obsessed with this headband from Glossier. Y'all know I love Glossier so much. It's really helpful when I'm washing my face and putting on makeup. So right now it is 9:45 and there's still some more things that I have to do for the day, but I want to show you guys my outfit. I'm gonna style my hair really quick. All right, this is the completed outfit. I've got shorts on from H&M. I'm obsessed with these, they're brand new. And then a new Princess Polly bodysuit. It's like this cheetah print and I'm so excited because I got this from Princess Polly. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna wear my hair down straight.
I won't be the girl that you used to get over your feelings.
Jewelry is super essential. I need to pick out what I want to wear today. So I think I'm gonna wear these bracelets that this company sent me. I'll put the name of it on the screen, but look at how freaking cute these are. They're so perfect and dainty to wear. And then for earrings, I kind of want to wear hoops today. So I think I'll wear these. By the way, I don't know if I've told y'all, but I have 3 piercings in my ear now and I'm so tempted to get another one. I just really want another one. I'll show you my earrings in a second. And then for perfume, side I have 4. I've got my cartilage and then 3. And then on this side, I've got 3. I'm going to go pick up Maddie now, but I want to surprise her with Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna get her a milkshake. So let's go do that. My room is absolutely disgusting. Also, Maddie hasn't even seen my new room yet, and I think we're probably gonna watch Outer Banks later today. All right, shoes today. I'm gonna wear Vans. Thank you, Dick's Sporting Goods, for sending me these. You guys, this is just my shoe rack plus my shoes on the ground. And there's still more in my closet. I just need to go through my shoes. I think I'm gonna make a TikTok. I'll be right back. All right, off to Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna get Maddie a cookies and cream shake to surprise her because I haven't seen her in over a month, you guys. This is the longest time that Maddie and I have gone without seeing each other. So, yeah, I can't wait to see her. Let's jam out to music. Oh wait, shit, I'm gonna get copyrighted. Yeah, thank you.
My pleasure.
Have a good one. Maddie shake.